Hyvin menee Michael Monroella, 89, ja kaikki näyttää niin valoisalta, koko tulevaisuus on niin valoisalta, että pitää silmälaseja.
So what would you say is the biggest shit around in music nowadays?
It's just the politics and the business. It's the greed and the despicable behavior of these people hiding behind their suits and ties. They kill art.
I'm nasty, I play guitar. Is that what you want?
Right.
Hey, I'm Michael Monroe, I'm the lead singer, and I play some harmonica and some other stuff, and I specialize in unconditional love.
Sammy, I play bass. And Jimmy, I break things.
Born in the age of Altamont. And Daddy was a drunk. They really believed all you need is love. While they were looking for God, the streets were running with blood. Now there ain't no one to trust. You're a 60s baby. You're a 60s baby. You're a 60s baby. Nothing's alright. Nothing's alright. Nothing's alright. Disco junk. Mommy liked reptiles, Daddy was a punk. They said there'll be no future for you. You did too much drugs to make sure it came true. Now you're really born to lose. You're a 70s baby. You're a 70s baby. You're a 70s baby. Nothing's alright, nothing's alright, nothing's alright. You can get. Mommy and Daddy was a TV set. All they left, did you remember them by? Is some poison water and a hole in the sky, and Russian roulette sex. You're an 80s baby. You're an 80s baby. You're an 80s baby. Nothing's alright, nothing's alright, nothing's alright. You're a 60s baby. You're a 70s baby. You're an 80s baby. Nothing's alright, nothing's alright, nothing's alright. Nothing's alright, nothing's alright, nothing's alright. Nothing's alright.
Right now. Future plans.
Future plans?
1995. Or are we talking already 96 maybe?
Well, you know, surviving the end of the world. And
which it happens when?
Well, it ain't gonna happen, really. We're just gonna move it to a different galaxy. You know, we're gonna have new energy powers, you know. We're gonna go through this, you know, thing called the photon belt. And we're gonna really it's gonna be darkness for about 5 or 6 days, so everybody's gonna be totally freaking out. There's not gonna be any electricity, no batteries will work. And we'll get through that, then it'll be like light. Usually this photon effect lasts about 2,000 years, but there's a rescue bubble through which we will pass, so it won't last longer than a few years. So that's like the future in the galactic sense. So I'm totally prepared for that. I think it'll be cool. I'm already saving candles.
I can dig that. That's comforting.
Right,
that's good. I've never heard anything like that before. Whoa, that's breathtaking.